The activation stage of a sales funnel is the stage where your audience is going to give you their email address and sign up for future marketing material. Normally, this stage happens on your blog, but it could also just happen on your homepage with like an email pop-up trying to capture their email. It also could happen on a social media page where they're liking your brand and opting into future promotional material that way. Preferably, though, you want to push them to email capture because email capture, you're sending it directly to their email as opposed to the social media platform, which they change their algorithm so often that you don't really ever know if they're going to be getting your message or not. Normally, the activation stage, people use an exchange to entice users to give you their email. So, for example, offering like a cheat sheet or or an ebook or some type of downloadable document that's going to get you closer to whatever it is that you were looking for. If you actually add that downloadable document to your blog, you can increase the SEO of the blog, your blog and website, because you're just pushing the blog for them to download the documents that you want. And in the documents themselves, you can, promote your other areas of your ecosystem, like your website or your blog again, or your podcasts, or your courses, books, services, all of that. So just remember, activation stage is you're getting your audience, clients, and customers to give you their email address. That's pretty much it. Let's move on to the next stage, which is the retention stage. See you soon. Bye.